Hi, I'm Scott Kiner. I am your host for this edition of Real Estate Today. This program provides meaningful information to homeowners who are dealing with the real estate crisis. My guest today is a prominent Palm Springs attorney, a real estate attorney and broker by the name of Mitchell Reed Sussman. Welcome, Mitchell.
Good to be here, Scott. Thanks for having me.
Well, in today's economy, with people walking away from their homes or going into foreclosure or doing short sales, many homeowners are finding that they're still burdened by the timeshare they own and the assessments which keep going up and up and up and up. Today's show is about how can I get rid of my unwanted timeshare. So, Mitchell, what can I do with my unwanted timeshare?
Because the travel and tourism industry is a $100 billion industry, the state of California has enacted certain consumer protection statutes to protect consumers for certain fraudulent and deceptive practices in connection with timeshares.
So what statute is that, and how do I find it?
The statute I'm talking about is the Vacation and Timeshare Act of 2004, and it can be found in California's Business and Professions Code.
So what kind of things do these acts regulate?
The Vacation and Timeshare Act regulates certain disclosures and the way that representations are made to timeshare owners at the time that they purchase the timeshares. In addition, the Act regulates certain conduct of the timeshare company when a homeowner is seeking to rent or stay in their home.
So can you give me some examples of what type of conduct is prohibited?
The Vacation Ownership and Timeshare Act specifically prohibits misrepresentations, and there's some very specific ones. For example, a representation that a timeshare is a piece of real estate, or that a timeshare is an investment, or that a timeshare will appreciate in value. These are all prohibited by the Vacation and Ownership Timeshare Act of 2004.
So what kind of things should a timeshare owner look for to determine if the Timeshare Act has been violated?
Well, if you've been told that your timeshare is an investment opportunity, that is a violation. If you've been promised time in a timeshare and find that it's unavailable, that is a violation. It also is a violation if they told you that timeshare was an interest in real estate. If there was any misrepresentation whatsoever, the Vacation Ownership and Timeshare Act of 2004 protects owners of timeshares and allows them to sue for damages and rescind their timeshare contract. Now, in addition, injunctive relief is also available, as well as damages.
So Mitchell, if I have a timeshare that I just can't afford anymore or I want to sell it, what do I do?
Well, first off, I would suggest that you call your timeshare company, because there are some timeshare companies that will foreclose and take back their timeshares. I know Marriott is one that does that because they have a very lucrative and very attractive timeshare, and people are interested in Marriott timeshares. Some of the other timeshare companies, however, are having trouble reselling their timeshares. So the first thing you should do is call your timeshare company, see if they are willing to either take it back or allow you to resell it. If they don't want to take it back, or they give you roadblocks to reselling your timeshare, you should consult with an attorney who is familiar with these consumer protection statutes, and that attorney will give you some alternatives so that you can walk away from your timeshare.
Thank you, Mitchell. That was very informative. I'm sure our viewers learned something today that can help them through these very difficult economic times. That's today's show. But before we go, if someone viewing the show or a real estate professional has a particular topic or subject they would like to see on the show, you can reach me by email at scottk@kinercom.com. If you have a question about this show or a question for Mitchell, you can reach him by email at mitchell.sussman@palmspringsLitigationAttorney.com. Thank you for watching.